In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of repairing corrupted PST file using the BitRecover PST Repair tool. To install the BitRecover PST Repair tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with Select File or Select Folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options for repair. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select the folder that you want to export. Click Next. Saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for repair. Let's select PST option for this tutorial. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the folder where the repaired PST file will be saved. Next, simply click the Repair button, and the repair process will begin. Once the repair is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the repair was successful. Click OK, and open the destination folder to access the repaired PST file. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.